So if you think about the best day of your life, how much you would spend on that day, if you could spend somehow $2,700 a day, $2,700 a day, you know, what could you possibly eat that would cost $2,700? That's all I'm doing on my best day of my life is eating good food. I'm gonna eat maybe 3 meals a day. Oh my God, I can't eat more than that. You know, snacks maybe, but what are you eating? Pure gold? I don't get it. $2,700 a day. If you had that best day of your life, $2,700 a day for 1 year times 365 days, that gets you to $1 million. Okay, $1 million, $2,700 a day. You could live the best day of your life all the time for $2,700 a day. That's $1 million you'd spend in a year. So you'd only need about what, $75 million to live the best day of your life every day for all of your life. It's about $70 million, $75 million. If you live to be 75 after you're an adult, so 95, you start working when you're 20 maybe. Okay, $75 million, that's all you need. There's your goal. Just try to earn $75 million. You could live the best day of your life forever, for the rest of your life. What if you had $1 billion? What's the difference between a million and a billion? Okay, you could live the best day of your life for 360,000 years. Okay, if you spent $2,700 a day, if you had $1 billion, you could spend $2,700 a day every day for 360,000 years. Okay, let me verify. Okay, it is 370,000 years. 370,000 years. So you could spend $2,700 a day, every day, for 370,000 years in a row. That's the difference between 1 million and 1 billion. So this is why we need to use, you know, scientific notation to describe the difference between 1 times 10 to the 6th, or a million, and 1 times 10 to the 8th, or 1 times 10 to the 9th, which is a billion. So 1 times 10 to the 6th is a million, is 1 million. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 times 10 to the 9th. Oh, we're just going from a million to a billion. We're going from 1 times 10 to the 6th to 1 times 10 to the 9th. 1, okay, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a million, there's a billion. What's the difference? Well, the difference between a million and a billion is with $1 million, you can live the best day of your life for a year. With $1 billion, you can live the best day of your life for 370,000 years. Okay, so that's the difference between a million and a billion. Then you go from a billion to a trillion. Oh boy, let's do that. What is a trillion divided by $2,700 a day? Okay, a trillion divided by 2,700 is 370 million years. So when you go from a trillion, 1 times 10 to the 12, okay, that you could spend $2,700 a day for 370 million years. Okay, so that's the difference between a million, a billion, and trillion. Okay, what if you had $100,000? If you had $100,000, $100,000 is this. $100,000 divided by $2,700 a day, 37 days. Okay, so that difference between $100,000, you could live that for a month. $1 million, you could live that for a year. $1 billion, you could live it for 370,000 years. $1 trillion for 370 million years. This is a wonderful game. Okay, so that's the importance of understanding numbers and the difference between orders of magnitude, going from a million to 10 million to 100 million to a billion. It's a big deal. Okay, and we're trying to get a context of that. So anyway, start saving your money.